Minimize floor vibration and noise in the finished bathroom by creating a rigid, well-supported floor assembly that isolates impact and airborne sound. Start by assessing the existing joist spacing and subfloor thickness because rigid structure begins at the framing. If joists are spaced wide, sistering an additional joist or adding blocking between joists reduces deflection. Aim for joist spans and spacing that keep deflection under 1/200 of the span for tile and 1/120 for resilient flooring when possible. Install a thicker plywood or oriented strand board subfloor, replacing or overlaying the old layer with at least 3/4 inch for timber joists, and fasten it with construction screws on a pattern of every 6 inches at edges and every 8 inches in the field to prevent squeaks and micro movement. Use a combination of adhesives and screws where appropriate to bond the subfloor to joists to eliminate tiny gaps that cause vibration, but avoid adhesive on engineered floors that require floating installations. Over that, select a sound-dampening underlayment matched to the finish. For tile, use a decoupling membrane that also provides sound attenuation, and for vinyl or laminate, use a high-density, closed-cell underlayment rated for impact sound reduction and moisture resistance. Pay attention to perimeter isolation by installing foam or rubber strips between the finished floor and the walls to prevent structural coupling of vibration into framing and adjacent rooms. Common mistakes are relying on a single thin subfloor layer, which allows movement and amplifies impact noise, so add a thicker or a double layer and fasten thoroughly. Another error is using the wrong underlayment for the finish, which either compresses under load or fails to isolate sound, so choose products specified for your floor type and check manufacturer compatibility. A third problem is poor fastening technique, such as using nails only or wide screw spacing, which leads to squeaks and micromotion. So switch to properly spaced screws and spread construction adhesive where recommended to create a rigid composite panel. Our site, bighomeprojects.com, helps homeowners find local contractors and compare approaches for floor stability and sound reduction while connecting them to installer profiles and project examples. We also help contractors find work and participate in a discussion community where we and other pros exchange techniques and product recommendations.